My name is Hans Bahr from HAGOR company in Germany. We are in Barcelona on ISE 2023, and I would like to show you our new HP series, which is a lift system available as a freestanding version, as a floor-to-wall version, as well as a mobile version. The unique thing on these lift systems are, you see on the bottom of the lifts there are two sockets for power and for LAN, and on the upper side of the lift you also find two sockets. Means you can directly connect your TV screen on the lift, and there are no cables hanging around somewhere. Available is a little bit of optional parts like a shelf or a camera mount, and of course I show you that it's moving up and down. For more information you go to www.hagor.net.